or treat, mister. Hey, mister. Hey, mister. Hey, mister. Hey, mister. Trick or treat, mister. Hey, mister.
Oh, it's a Spectre! Hello, Spectre, wie gehen Sie? Do you want to party? Oh, we are partying in here. It's a good time to party. The Safer ist Frühkuchen 96. Wait for here, we'll come back.
I'm good, bro.
Do you want to party with the Spectre? Spectre, where are you going? Oh, no Spectre fun. Okay, no Spectre, we party without the Spectre.
Are you ready? Grab a brush. Give me a hell! Give me a yeah! Let's paint right now!
Hey team, and welcome back to this Halloween edition of Studio-214. I've got a spectacularly spooky castle painting that I'm doing right now. Man, it's crazy. It's actually a picture of Hogwarts. We were watching the Chamber of Secrets the other day. It was No, it was the Prisoner of Azkaban. Yeah, and they had this amazing picture of the castle, Hogwarts, and the far distance with the dark forest surrounding it. Oh, it looked cool. So cool that I stopped it and had Sweet Jen take a picture and make this. Well, it was close to this. I added my own little flair to it. Using the golden mean to place all the turrets, and making sure the main house was right in the center. So as I changed it up a little bit, the picture I got from Hogwarts wasn't exactly like that, but it was pretty close. And so, man, I skipped a lot of stuff, guys, like a whole bunch of stuff. It was just the same stuff. There's a lot of layers on this. I kept on changing my idea of what I wanted and where the light was coming from, and all that's important because you have to have consistency. If the turrets are going to have a light kissing the side of it on the right there, then I can't have the barns, the houses on the left, have the light on the left side. So, just change things around. And then, of course, throwing in the spooky forest. Yeah, I'm using a fan brush here, and you guys should know this is all done with one color. I'm just using aquamarine blue. That's it. Now there's black and there's white, obviously, but those are just to change the value of the blue that I'm using. This is the one color challenge, and it's just a value study, really. And so all the white does and all the black does just changes the value. It was not even the value, just the tone, the tint, the value. If I wanted to change the value, I should have added some red. No, not red, green, sorry. Yeah, some green in that blue would have really knocked it back. But this is the one color challenge, not the two color challenge. So, couldn't use green, could I? No, I'm sorry, it's not green. What am I thinking? Red and yellow. So it is green. Yeah, green would have knocked this blue back real nice. Anyway, so what it really needed was some light, and since I didn't want any ambient light, there's enough in the mist, I had to have light coming from the castle. And, well, Sweet Jen pointed this out to me, and I should have picked up on it myself, but I didn't. That's why I have a Sweet Jen. Everyone needs a Sweet Jen. Everyone needs someone to tell them they're full of crap every once and again. Well, she told me this castle was missing something, and it was the light. And, she was totally correct. So, of course, the light from the castle will reflect into the fog. So that was kind of a cool effect. I thought it really brought a lot of interest to what I was doing. So, yeah, we've got a really spooky forest, and we got a cool-looking castle. Hopefully it's cool. I think it's a cool-looking castle. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, of course. But, yeah, man, I did... Really cool castle with a dark, spooky forest, and that light coming from there, it just gives it a nice little finishing touch. Now, there is a spot that needs to be done here, and I saw this too late, and I was going to finish the painting, but see, right there. And also, think about the roof. That light would be splashing on the roof, which I didn't do. Oops. But this is why you come back, man. I needed to look at the painting for a while and just see what it needed. So, that's why it took me so long to paint this. The actual painting time, brush on canvas, probably about an hour. I've got about an hour worth of footage. But, man, I put so much more time and effort into actually sitting down and thinking about what it needed. Here's what we came up with. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Happy Halloween, everybody.